What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 7 of 15 days of Brinkley RV tours, and today we are checking out a Brinkley travel trailer, the Model Z Air 310. Now this one is almost 40 feet long, about 37 feet 11 inches, and it's got that fifth wheel feel. But up front, it is probably the most storage you'll ever see in the front bedroom of an RV. Let's go check it out. All right, so starting on the outside of this Brinkley Model Z Air 310, it's a heavy one. It's really long. It's got a tip-to-tip length of about 37 feet 10 inches, which is crazy. It's got 3 slide outs, and it comes in at about 14,495 pounds. Like I said, it's a heavy one. Let's go ahead and start up front, and then we'll make our way around the outside and then head inside. So up here, you're gonna have your BAL self-leveling system. Basically what this does is it levels out your entire camper with all the leveling jacks. You're gonna have your easy latch system. And then up here, this is a really great system. You pop in that, and then you can access your propane tanks. And you can even access them from the side as well. So that's really nice. And then you got a storage cubby up here. So you got two propane tanks. Pop that in place. Really nice latch. And take a look at this front cap. It's an automotive front cap, really nice, solid. You do have your front lights. Coming around to the side, you're gonna have lots of storage space up here. Check this out. You do have your controls inside, so it's protected from the elements. Your water hose is on a reel, so you pull out as much as you need and then you let it retract itself back in. You do have tons of storage. You do have the inverter, slam latch on the doors. And then coming over here to the bed slide, this right here is underneath of the bed. Check out all this space. So this right here is exterior storage in the slide. I love how they're using every bit of that space. You do have the slim rack slide system on this particular slide out. Over here, you're gonna have your on-demand hot water system. And then right here is the sewer hose holder. So basically, you just slide your sewer hose in here and you don't have to put it in your storage bay. So that's a really nice touch. Got your stabilizing jacks under there. And then back here is going to be your dump for all of your gray and black water. Over here is your shore power plug-in. You got your furnace. And then up there is a docking light. So whenever you get to the campsite late at night and you gotta hook everything up, you at least have some light to do it in. Back here, you're going to have a rack and pinion slide system with frameless windows. And check this out, really nice system. All of your wiring is very neatly put together. And that over there is going to be your self-leveling jack. So that's really nice. You do have your spare tire mounted under here so that it's not on the back of your RV, it's just out of the way. So that's a really nice feature. Overall, it's pretty clean under here. You do have a trailer hitch here on the back, which you're able to use. It's capable of towing 3,000 pounds only in the states that it's legal. But yeah, or you could use it as a bike rack. Back here, you're going to have another storage bay, an exterior storage bay, slam latches on everything. And then you do have the really nice rhino lined steps, so you can grip onto it much better than just a standard ladder. You're gonna have the Furrion backup camera. You do have a big frameless window here on the back. Coming over to the campsite, you're going to have another rack and pinion slide. And this one has the frameless windows on the side walls of the slide. You do have an awning mounted onto the slide out. And then coming down here to the front, you have an awning on this side of the campsite. So you've got one on the side wall of the camper. Here's the other access point of your underbelly pass-through storage. Really nice aluminum frame on this coach. Coming over here, you're going to have these really nice steps. This is a new thing we're seeing in the RV industry. It's a plastic tread step, so definitely interesting. You're gonna have your more ride handle, so you just pop this in and then it slides down. Same thing, pulls out, and it gives you a lot of great gripping points to getting inside of the RV. This right here is RV lock, which it comes standard on Model Z Airs and up. And basically it is the greatest door handle you could have on an RV. We have one on our camper. It's such a great product, and it's really easy to use. You can either punch in your code to unlock and lock your camper. You can use the wireless remote that it comes with, or just a standard set of keys. If you want to get this product for your RV, if you don't already have one, you can use the discount code RVTalk10 on RV Lock's website and receive 10% off of your order. So that's a great little discount code for a great product. All right, let's head inside of this RV and check it out. All right, so when you first step inside of this Brinkley Model Z Air 310, it's got that fifth wheel feel again. You have your center island, your kitchen, your entertainment center. You've got your sofa here on the back that folds out into a bed, your theater seating, and then your dinette. Let's go ahead and start up here. This is a 4-position sliding dinette, so you can pull it out, move it side to side, and it's just a really great functional piece of furniture. You do have some chairs, so you can use it as a dinette as well. And something that's really cool is that they installed an outlet down there on the floor. So if you are working here, you know, if you maybe work from the road, you can plug in all of your stuff down there and run it up through this really nice hole that they put in the table. So it's great cable management. So that is a really nice touch that they did that. Over here, you're gonna have your theater seating. You got heat and massage. They do recline, which is really nice. You got wireless charging, a pretty decent center console, and down here, you do have 2 USB Type A chargers. So that's a really cool touch. You're gonna have these windows in the slide, lighting as well. And then coming around to the back, you're gonna have these side tables on each side of the couch. And basically, you've got storage in the front and then a little charging area on the back. Right here is going to be your trifold sofa that turns into a bed. And then you've got this ottoman that can turn into a pop-up desk. So that's really cool. Up here you have lots of storage space. Soft close on everything. Over here, same thing. Storage everywhere. Right here is going to be a pop-down area where you have this little cubby. And then you have the Rockford Fosgate sound system, which is such a great sound system for an RV. You also have a fireplace and then a televator. And something that's really cool that I forgot to mention is that they give you an HDMI port. So you can, say you have a Roku box, you can set that in here, plug it into the HDMI, and you don't have to have it out here. So that's really nice. So yeah, TV on a televator, and then stepping into the kitchen, you get this really nice long window. It's not as great as the windows that I like, which are those really long, narrow windows where you can see eye level out. That's because I love to be able to see out of the RV whenever you're in the kitchen. Right here you have a large microwave, 3-burner cooktop, an oven, a huge storage door underneath of the oven, more storage over here, and then over to the kitchen island, you have the pull-out trash bin, and then another pull-out drawer where you have the signature Brinkley paper towel holder. Right here, you're gonna have a really deep farmhouse sink, sprayer faucet, and then you also have these nice drawers. Cabinet space under there. This right here is a nice addition that they added. It's a little dog food station. So you can put your food and then the water, but if you're not a dog owner, it's magnetic, so you can just pull it off the wall and put it away or leave it somewhere else. Over here, you're going to have your refrigerator, fridge on this side, freezer on the other. Lots of storage space, tons of shelving, and little storage bins in the corner, as well as shelves in these side doors. Right here is going to be a massive pantry, really nice. They do give you an outlet if you want to put an appliance there. More storage space up here. This is a great little area to put a coffee nook because they have an outlet, which, I mean, not only does it have just 2 standard outlet plugs, but it's got USB-C and a USB type A port. So that's really nice. You do have the TPMS system, which it's really nice that Brinkley includes that because that's a really important thing to have. You do have the box for the backup camera, and then more storage space under here. Storage up here, and then access to all of your panels and electrical and stuff like that down on the bottom. Right here is going to be a little side cabinet where you got more access. And then, check it out, all of your panels. So this right here is where you can control the lighting in the coach, check the battery levels, check your tank levels, all that good stuff. Bring in and out the slides. And then you do have your light switch for the inside, as well as your max air fan controls for the one in the kitchen. In the hallway, you're gonna have nice lighting up in the ceiling, 2 little coat hangers, and then up front, we're actually going to wait to go up there. But let's check out this bathroom. So you got the sliding pocket door, and then you do have a porcelain toilet. Over here, you're going to have a toilet paper holder. It magnetizes itself to the wall. So whenever you're going down the road, it stays in place. Up here, more towel hooks, a little shelf, max air vent fan, and then let's check out this massive shower. All right, here we go. I'm impressed again. Shower head sits just a hair above my head. Wow. Great design, great space, great job, Brinkley. Over here, you're going to have a cabinet which passes through to the storage in the front bedroom. You've got a mirror, sink, storage space, more storage space, and then Liquified, which is today's sponsor of the video. They make such great products. They have RV toilet treatment, gray tank treatment, and they even have pods if you don't want to use a liquid. They have lots of other products like a toilet bowl cleaner. They have other scents besides the orange. They have a lavender one. But this right here is Liquified, and it is the best RV toilet treatment that we have found in 15 plus years of RVing. This is the orange scent bottle, and it's made with enzymes and bacteria which help break down your waste. It prevents odors, and it even cleans your sensors. It's made in America, and it comes in this bottle which measures out exactly 1 ounce, which is all you need to clean a 40-gallon tank. This is such a great product. If you want to check out Liquified as well as some of their other products, head over to liquifiedrv.com, and if you use the discount code RVTalk15 or the link in the description, you can receive 15% off your purchase. You can also purchase it on Amazon, but you won't get the discount code, so definitely go check out liquifiedrv.com. All right, now let's head into the front bedroom where you have pretty much the most amount of storage you'll ever see in the front bedroom of an RV. Check this out. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. You've got all of this storage, you have all of these drawers, and then all of this, amazing. You even have storage up above the bed. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And how about that? All of that storage. This is definitely a coach that you could live full-time in because, I mean, forget the storage unit. You got one right here. This is amazing. Over here, you're going to have a TV. You also have a large window with this little entertainment area. Storage hidden under here. All these pull-out drawers. And then I'll just show you one big shot of all this storage. All right, so check it out. All of the cabinets and the drawers are all opened up. You got all that storage. You've got these pull-out drawers all along the bottom. All of these massive storage space areas. Really amazing. Storage up above the bed, that's storage under the bed. This over here. But something that's really great is that you have washer and dryer setup. So, I mean, that's why there's so much storage, is because, and that's great. That's a great thing, because even if you decide to put in a washer and dryer, you're not losing a lot of space. Like, there's plenty left for all of your belongings. So, really great. Soft close on everything. Amazing. And something that Brinkley does is they'll put a shelf right here as well as a plug. So if you have a CPAC machine, you can just set it right here. And they really think about those things. You've got the 2 side windows, that storage up above, and then these little reading lights, which you can adjust them. So that's pretty cool. All right. Besides the mirror up there, there's not too much else to take a look at. I don't know, it's pretty nice. Let me know in the comments down below, is this an RV that you would buy? Would you full time in this RV with knowing how much storage there is? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, and for more Brinkley RV tours, follow along, because we are on day 7 of 15 days to Brinkley RV tours, where we're touring a new Brinkley every day. So stay tuned, there's a lot to come. Tomorrow will be the first day that we're checking out Brinkley fifth wheels, and it's a small Brinkley fifth wheel, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the road.